Hello, everyone. I hope you are safe and healthy. So, I'm coming up with a new program, a new workshop known as Stashed Modern History. So, as many of you must be knowing by now, stashed is to keep something at a safer place, and nothing can be more safe than our brain. So, that means we have to compile all the topics of modern history in our brain, and this we will be doing with the help of memory techniques. So, here I'll be teaching you a topic, a very important topic of important governor generals and viceroys with the help of memory techniques. And the technique that I'll be teaching you today is a new one and is known as journey method. Now, can you see a road over here? So there are so many vehicles. When you travel from one place to another, you come across so many things like hotels, restaurants, bar, malls, and cobbler shop, fruit shop, etc., etc. So there are many things that come across. So with the help of those things, we will be utilizing those stalls, those malls, those shops for learning the topics. Okay, so it sounds actually very interesting. So let's begin. The first one is Warren Hastings. Now, let's imagine that while you were traveling from one place to another, for example, you are traveling from your house to your office, you come across a poster where it was written Comedy Nights with Kapil. Okay, now can you ever imagine or have you ever imagined that this poster can be of a use to you? You can learn the topic, learn a very important topic of Governor Generals with the help of this poster. Actually, we have never imagined it before, but now you can utilize all the things that you see in your surroundings to learn the topics of your subjects. So Warren Hastings, I can see this Hasti over here, sorry, this Hastings. So I can pick up Hasti means to laugh. Okay, so we can imagine that a lady is laughing. So Hasti means we can imagine that this couple, he is laughing. Okay, so now we can imagine the set of Kapil. Okay, the set that he shows in his show, Comedy Nights with Kapil. So first point is first governor of Bengal. Bengal. Now can I change it into bangles? So I can imagine that on that particular day, Kapil came wearing bangles. I know many of you are imagining Kapil in that way and laughing. Okay, so see, it doesn't look like we are studying. Uh, it gives us a break from the monotonous study routine that we have. With the help of some funny things, we are able to learn. So it is actually good because we are also able to revise easily with the help of these things. Whenever you will hear this, whenever you will watch TV, whenever you will see Kapil, so you will automatically revise Warren Hastings. It will automatically click to you. Okay. So first governor of Bengal. So this Kapil, he came wearing bangles that day because उसको तो ultimately हमें हंसाना है. So to make us laugh, he wore that bangles. Then the next point is end to the dual system of administration. Now dual system, that means dual means two. So just imagine that the day you were watching the show, it was season 2, and now Kapil announced that I will not come up with any other season. This is the last season of my show. So end to the dual system. Or he says that today is the last episode of season 2. That means end to the dual system, end to the season 2. Okay. Then Regulating Act of 1773. So we can imagine that this Kapil, he is dressed up like an old man, a man who is 73 years of age, okay, who is 73 years old. Or we can say that this man, this Kapil, he was born just 2 years before internal emergency. Internal emergency was in 1975. So he was born just 2 years up before that. Okay. Then Supreme Court at Calcutta. So now let's come to the show. Today's episode, the theme of today's episode of Kapil Show is Supreme Court, where the cat is a judge. Calcutta, I can change it to cat. So the theme of Kapil, Comedy Nights with Kapil, the theme of the show is a Supreme Court where the cat is a judge. So it sounds very funny to imagine. So you will never forget it. Then Asiatic Society of Bengal. So we can imagine Asiatic lion or Asiatic lion we can imagine. So the Asiatic lion is a person who has come with an appeal. Okay, with an appeal to the cat. First Anglo-Maratha War and Treaty of Salbai. Now can I see this sal? Sal tree we can imagine. And paratha we can imagine that we eat. So just imagine like this, that this is the chair, this is the set of Comedy Nights with Kapil, And here on the chair, Kapil is sitting, and here behind is a tree, sal tree. Means this is the set basically, कि उसने अपने सेट पे कुछ इस तरह से बनाया है कि चेयर है जहाँ कपिल बैठता है, पीछे से एक ट्री आ रहा है, वो पेड़ की छांव में बैठा है सॉर्ट ऑफ अपने सेट पर उस दिन, कुछ इस तरह से उसने बनाया है. Here is the Supreme Court. Okay, the theme, the main theme here is the Supreme Court where a cat is a judge. Okay, this is the cat, and here the lion comes. I know my drawing is very bad. Here the lion comes. He comes here for appeal with this cat. We can have her tail also somewhere here. Okay, like this. Okay. Anyway, so, and then these are her mustaches. Okay, so this is the Supreme Court. Here Kapil has come. Kapil is sitting with under a tree, sal tree, and he is eating parathas on the show. Okay, he's very hungry, so he is eating parathas in his show that day. He's talking, he's wearing bangles, he's eating paratha, all nonsense he's doing on that day. Then first English translation of Bhagavad Gita. Now English translation, we can imagine that this cat, she speaks English. So jab a lion, Asiatic lion, when this lion comes for an appeal, with an appeal to the cat, so the cat starts giving गीता के जो श्लोक होते हैं वो इंग्लिश में बताने लगी. ओके, कि हाँ आप इसको ऐसे कर सकते हो, इसको ऐसे कर सकते हो. तो इन हर जजमेंट द कैट स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग श्लोक्स ऑफ गीता in English. And finally, Pitt's India Act 1783. So Pitt se we can imagine Brad Pitt, the American actor. So Brad Pitt, so this cat, because she is acting as a judge that day, so she has come dressed like Brad Pitt. Now let's recall the whole story. The story is that today is the last episode of season 2 of Comedy Nights with Kapil, so into the dual system. Then Kapil came that day with bangles in his hand, so first governor of Bengal. Then he sat on a chair under the tree, so Salbai tree, and he was eating parathas, so first Anglo-Maratha War and Treaty of Salbai. Then the theme of that day's show is Supreme Court, so the cat is a judge. She has come in Brad Pitt dress, like dressed as Brad Pitt. Then Asiatic lion comes with an appeal, so she is giving her orders in shloks of Gita, which are in English. Okay, and finally this couple was born 2 years before internal emergency, so Regulating Act of 1773. So I hope very easily now you will not forget these points, very easily you were able to learn them. So you can revise them while walking, while lying on the bed, you can recall the whole story. The next one is Lord Cornwallis. Cornwallis, can I see this corn over here? Corn, bhutta? So just imagine that when you were traveling further, after seeing that poster of Comedy Nights with Kapil, you saw this corn wala, the corn stall. Okay, so this is the person and this is the corn stall, sweet corns basically. Okay, so separation of 3 branches of service: commercial, judicial and revenue. So we can just imagine that this corn stall has 3 chairs, one here, one this side and one this side, to maintain social distancing during COVID. So basically 3 branches. Like we just need hints for the keywords. So these are the keywords for 3 branches, 3 chairs. Okay. So the persons will maintain social distancing and then they will enjoy their sweet corn. So 3 branches of social service. 3 branches of service: commercial, judicial, and revenue. The second point is permanent land revenue settlement of Bengal. So land revenue. Now since this corn stall is put up over here daily, this corn wala comes here daily, so he has to pay the rent for his place. Okay, so permanently he is standing here. This is his fixed place. कहते हैं ना अपना अड्डा, फिक्स अड्डा है उसका, वो रोज यहीं आता है, and he has to pay revenue for that. So permanent land revenue settlement. Reformed, modernized and rationalized the civil service. Now this Cornwallis is not a very common man. कोई गरीब आदमी, कोई common man नहीं है. He is an aspirant, UPSC aspirant. Okay, so he rationalized the civil service. Basically he is a aspirant for UPSC. Then introduce the Cornwallis Code. This is very simple because we are learning for Lord Cornwallis. So Cornwallis Code. Sanskrit College. Now whenever the persons ask for sweet corns, so he starts replying in Sanskrit, avam gachami types. Okay, so this is, he speaks up in Sanskrit. Okay, the people will say bhaiya kitna paisa hua, so he will reply in Sanskrit. And there the cat was giving judgments in in English. Here the Cornwalla is speaking Sanskrit. So the next one is Lord Wellesley. Now moving further in our journey, it was like we started, this is our home, we started from our home, towards the office. So first we saw this poster of comedy nights with Kapil. Then here we saw this corn stall. Then here we saw a well. Okay. Now with this well, let's imagine something. We'll try to learn Lord Wellesley. Wellesley, so we can see this well over here. So introduction of subsidiary alliance system. So let's imagine that this subsidiary alliance basically there is a person who is standing over here. First, let's imagine the story, then we will learn the points. Okay. So just imagine that a person is standing here and he is very sad. So while going to office, you stopped and you asked him, "Bhai, क्यों परेशान हो?" So see, he said that my 4 wives committed suicide by falling into this well. Okay. So I'm very sad. So now I am searching for a 5th wife. That means he's forming alliances, marriage alliance basically. बिकॉज पहले उसके 4 वाइफ्स थे, फिर उनकी डेथ हो गई, तो नाउ ही इज लुकिंग फॉर 5th 6th 7th 8th, मतलब वो चाह रहा है कि मैं 4 वाइफ्स और ले आऊं एक साथ. सो ही इज लुकिंग फॉर एन अलायंस. 4th Anglo-Mysore War, माय. सो ही इज सैड बिकॉज उसकी वाइफ, he says that my wife is dead, my 4th wife has committed suicide. So 4th Anglo-Mysore War, my wife, 4th wife. Okay. So he says that my 4th wife has also committed suicide by falling into this well. So 4th Anglo-Mysore War. Finally, Fort William College. Fort William. So we can imagine will by well. So this is a simpler one. The next point is Lord Hastings. The next Governor General is Lord Hastings. Now, in your journey after the well, you came across a bar. Now you all are very attentive, right? Okay. So now you come across a bar. Now what happens in a bar? लोग हंसते हैं, बातें करते हैं, खाते पीते हैं. They enjoy basically. So again they are laughing, हंस रहे हैं, हस्ती. So they are laughing. Anglo-Nepal War. Now this Nepal, can I change it into pan, the betel leaf? Okay, pan जो सब खाते हैं, most of these people eat pan. So Nepal का my code is pan. Then third, Anglo-Maratha War. For Maratha, we used paratha in Kapil Sharma show. He was eating paratha. So same we'll keep here paratha. Introduction of Rayatwari system. Rayatwari roti I can pick up. This riot roti I can pick up. Rayatwari roti. That means chapati. So my code is roti. Now let's make a story. Just imagine you come across a bar, you heard the sound of people laughing and enjoying. So they were, you went inside to see. So what they were doing, they were drinking beer, and along with that in Chakna, they were eating three parathas with pan. Okay, that means roti or paratha, the bread. So they were eating roti or paratha with pan. Okay, in the bar. So Lord Hastings. Now you will never forget the points. The next one is Lord William Bentinck. Now you come across a football ground. So they are kicking the ball. So Bentinck. So I will pick this tick over here, and from this tick I will make it into kick. So they were kicking the football. Now Charter Act of 1833. So just imagine that these are middle-aged boys who are playing, and they were around their age was somewhere around 33 years. Then abolition of sati. Now while playing, one of them got hurt on the ground and died. So his wife was about to commit suicide, about to commit sati, but then his friend saved his wife. He said, no, now the sati is abolished. You don't have to commit sati. So he saved him. So abolition of sati. And finally, education reforms, introduction of English as the official language. So they were English boys and they were speaking English among themselves. So how can you recall all the points for Lord William Bentinck? You can imagine Bentinck, so kick. So there was a football ground. They were kicking the football. So they were 33 years of age. They were middle-aged people who were playing football. While playing, one of them died. He got hurt, he got died. So his wife was about to commit sati. So his friend stopped him. So abolition of sati, and finally they were English people, English boys who were playing football. The next one is Lord Dalhousie. Housey. Can I see this house after all? This house I can change into house. So I come across a beautiful wooden house. So what is my journey now? This is my home. I started for office. First of all, I came across that poster of comedy nights with Kapil. Then there was a corn stall. After that, what happened? Let's revise from here. There was a corn stall. Then you came across a well. So we can see a well over here. You came across a well. Then there was a bar. After that, there was a football ground. And finally, after that, there was a football ground. And finally, there was a wooden house, a very sweet, a very beautiful wooden house. Now, see, these journey spots I have taken myself for a common example, but you do not have to take these examples. Do not take these stops as your example, as your own stops, because this is for common example. But if you will take the stops that you come across daily, means if you are traveling from somewhere to somewhere, for example, if you are traveling from your house to your friend's house, so जो भी stops रास्ते में आते हैं, utilize those stops. Okay, do not take the examples of the stops that I gave you. This is just to explain it to you, to give you an idea how we can utilize the journey method, how we can use this method to learn the topics. But you can use your own stops so that it is easy for you to revise. Okay. So now Dalhousie. Introduction of the doctrine of lapse. Wood's dispatch. Woods. This is a wooden house, so Wood's dispatch. Then just imagine, while you were watching this beautiful house, all of a sudden an earthquake came and this house collapsed. This house broke away. So lapse. This house collapsed. Okay. So doctrine of lapse. Then railway minute basically. Now what happens when this house collapsed? People came running here and there. Many of them survived, many of them died. So those who survived, they came running outside, took the train and went to their respective places, went to their relatives' house basically. So they sat in the train. So they went to their relatives' house via train, via railways. Telegraph and postal reforms. Few of them wrote letters to their relatives and posted them. So postal reforms. And finally, Widow Remarriage Act. Now you are watching all this, so you got very sad. You want to help the people. So many of the persons died. Their wives were there. Their wives and their children were survived. So you try to help them, and you said that, okay, don't worry, I will look for a man for you. I will look up, I will search a man for you. So widow remarriage. Those widows, they were allowed to remarry themselves basically. Okay. So Lord Dalhousie, house is a house. There was a wooden house. So it collapsed while you were watching it. An earthquake came. So doctrine of lapse. It was a wooden house, a Wood's dispatch. They all went to their relatives' house in a railway, in a train. Some of them wrote letters. And finally, those women who were left, they were allowed to remarry. So Widow Remarriage Act. So this way you can utilize this method. You can utilize the stalls. For example, you can utilize McD, Pizza Hut, or you can utilize the malls or the Reliance showrooms. Any showroom, any place, any fruit vendor shop you come across, you can use all those things. Medical stores, fruit shops, the bookstores, anything you come across, you can relate that topic with your stop, and you can learn the points. So I hope you enjoyed learning with this new technique. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. This was just an example. You can learn the other governor generals and the viceroys using the same method. You will never forget this. For example, now if I ask you that subsidiary alliance was introduced during the time period of, so all of a sudden you will say that it was by Lord Wellesley, because well ke bahar ek banda bahut sad tha because his wives committed suicide. So he was searching for another 4-5 wives. So alliance, so subsidiary alliance. Or if I ask you that Supreme Court at Calcutta, it came during the time period of, so it came during the time period of Warren Hastings, because Comedy Nights mein the theme was Supreme Court. So Comedy Nights is a laughing show, a hasti show, laughing basically, so Warren Hastings. Or if I ask you abolition of sati, so now you will imagine that football ground. His friend died, so his wife was about to commit sati, but you saved her. So William Bentinck. This way you will not forget the points. Okay, so stay tuned for more amazing videos. Thank you. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.